So here's an example of a time-lapse sequence that I put together of the Milky Way, and I just needed some backing soundtrack to accompany this scene. Here's my very basic setup. It consists of an iPad mini 5 running the latest iOS with GarageBand. I'm feeding that to a Zoom H1 portable recorder, and I'm using that just so that I can record this video and the sound that I'm actually producing while I'm creating this video. And of course this allows me also to have my headset inline so I can listen to what I'm doing. The Zoom H1 is a really capable portable recorder. It has a built-in stereo mic, and of course it can accept a line level microphone input. And I also use this as a kind of a shotgun microphone on my camera, on my DSLR. It's very useful both in my studio and also out in the field when I'm recording. Here's a song that I composed a little bit earlier today, and some sound effects of space stations and astronauts talking and communications. This is also available via a download add-on pack to GarageBand. Take a listen.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running.
Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Roger, 0G, and I feel fine. One, 2, 3, 4.
What do you think? Once you're done with your edit, the easiest way to get it into your video editing software is just to airdrop it as a song, as an MP3 or a AAC compressed format. You can also export the file obviously as a GarageBand project file, then open it in GarageBand on macOS, make some touch-up edits, and then export it as an MP3 or your favorite WAV file or AAC. But ultimately, this is the easiest way. I just export it or airdrop it from the iPad mini directly to my MacBook.
1, 2.
If you like, I can also show you exactly how I composed this soundtrack. Let me know in the comments below if that would interest you.